And you have played so many characters of Prem. Which is your favorite?
When Suraj Brajatia directs me as Prem,
Yeah.
that is by far the best Prem I've ever done.
Thank
Because
you.
then, you see him in me, you don't see me. So what you see of me is all him.
That's nice. Thank you. Right.
Hi, sir. Suraj sir, this is Urvi here. To your
Extreme
left.
left, sir.
To your left.
Yeah, top
Hi.
left.
Sir, recently Salman sir had said at the Hero trailer launch that one Suraj has always supported him and he wants to support another Suraj. What do you have to say about this compliment about Salman that he has given?
He keeps saying this every time. But I've done nothing. I was nothing. He was nothing. Both of us had nothing to lose, nothing to win. Maybe it is the S that we share in our first names. I don't know.
My name is Anupam.
There's one girl, Shabina Dutt, who I cannot forget, who told me one day that there is a
Shabana,
boy.
Shabana.
Shabana Dutt, huh? There's a boy I've done an ad with. Maybe you like him as a hero. But honestly, Maine Pyar Kiya, he got not, he's here in front of me, not because of the actor, but because of that human being. Precisely, and that's what he is.
Salman con man.
Because of the person he is. So that's his credit. He is today much beyond all of us, but that's what he is. So this Suraj, that's always in his mind.
हाय सूरज जी यहाँ जी सूरज जी यहाँ बैठे सारे लोगों ने कहा कि भारतीयता आपकी फिल्मों में रसी बसी रहती है, लेकिन जो आपने अनकंडीशनल लव की बात कही या जो प्रेम की परिभाषा, वो आज की भागती दौड़ती ज़िंदगी में उतनी मासूम और खूबसूरत है जितनी आपकी फिल्मों में दिखाई देती है.
बस मैडम यही जंग है. Because if you see, we are all the same. At the bottom of our heart, we are all the same. बस वो ऐसी भागा दौड़ी में we forget the simple things in life. So that is my biggest quest, to get back that values in some way or the other, not to let him. When I have this cast, and when I have this subject where I can say it, I don't want to lose it. Because finally, at the end of, as you grow older and older, you realize that how happy your children are, that is all that matters.
Hi, sir.
आगे
Hello.
जो एक्सटेंशन ये है कि आपके ऊपर इतना प्रेशर होता है, आप कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप हैं, और जैसा कि इन लोगों ने बताया कि आप बहुत शांति से, बहुत खूबसूरती से सारे चीज़ों को हैंडल कर रहे थे, तो वो किस तरह से कर पाए आप?
बहुत मैंने भी हीरोइनों को रुलाया है, आज के मैंने बहुत सब किया. नहीं, अब आफ्टर ऑल दिस देन यू रियलाइज
When?
एक्चुअली
When?
मैंने प्यार किया. Doesn't remember.
No, I don't remember. What happened?
So I have done all that, but finally I realized कि चीखने चिल्लाने से कुछ नहीं होता.
Hi, Salman.
Because finally it is always you have to have, we all human beings, we all have our moods and everything. And finally it is the creation. We all fighting actually to create. Correct. So it doesn't matter if someone loses temper. You have to
Salman?
go.
Yes, he yelled.
Salman
In
from
Maine Pyar Kiya, he yelled. His yelling ka hai, no, please don't do this now.
Hi, Salman. Towards your left. Hi. Salman, you just praised Surajji. Can we say that Surajji gets the best out of you as an actor?
As a person, and that translates on screen.
And one quality that you have imbibed as Prem in you.
See, all the movies that are doing right now is like when you see a Suraj Brajatia film and you come out of the theater, you want to be that person. So while doing 150, 200 days of a movie, I try and get as much of that character into my own personality now.
Salman sir, another
Salman,
question.
From Rekha to Sonam, you worked with so many heroines. What do you have to say working with all of them?
Rekha ji was my bhabhi in the movie.
Fine, even as a bhabhi.
When she becomes my bhabhi, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Salman sir, here towards your left. You played Prem 16 years back and you're returning back as Prem, as Suraj sir's Prem now. In these few years, you've played different characters and you've tasted supreme success. How much have you missed being Prem? People have missed you as Prem on screen. How much
I
have
miss
you missed?
being Prem so much that I did a film called Ready with Anis Bazmi. And we tried to make it a Suraj Barjatya film with Anis Bazmi kind of comedy. And I was called Prem in the film.
And how much have you missed being Suraj sir's Prem then?
That much. That's why he did that film.
Naya aaya hai ye.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, Salman.
My question is to
Hi,
Bhushan sir
Salman.
over
Hi.
here.
One sec. Yeah, so we'll stick to that. One sec. We'll stick to that left zone and then come to you. Yeah, go.
Music has played a very important role in all Suraj Barjatya films. And this film has 9 songs and you just have 40 days for the release. So how do you plan to market the music of the film?
We are planning every week now. Every week one song we are planning. So we have 5.
And,
Yeah.
and when can we expect the full album to be out?
10th of October.
Thank you.
5 months after the release.
Hi, Salman.
While the film is still in the theaters and not getting tickets.
Hi, my question is to Salman. Salman, in this film, straight right in front.
Actually, to the right.
In this,
straight into the
in
right,
this
yeah.
film, we see you in 2 avatars. One as the innocent Prem, and one as a fighter who we hear is Vijay. Is that true? Do we get to see you in a double role in this film?
See, all these lying sawal Suraj Barjatya will give you.
हेलो मेरा सवाल सोनम जी
Whereas
से है.
you need to see the film. For that, I mean, that's our film. We can't open a film. You know, we're not going to say there's 1 character, 2 characters, 3 characters. We're just going to say that you need to go and see the film.
Salman, also while you were shooting this film, you were going through a difficult time in your personal life.
I'm always
Was that-
going through that difficult time. That does not reflect on the film. So whenever I'm going through a difficult time in my life, my work on film is that much better. So please, remember that. And then do not let the difficult time hamper the release of the film. Because we worked a lot on that, in that difficult time, on that film.
Right, so that was my...
And I'm still going through it, and I'll keep on going through it. That's my share of karma.
हेलो सोनम जी आरती सक्सेना आपका
शरद
ड्रीम
सक्सेना साहब से कुछ
Aarti ji, आप दिखाई नहीं दे रही है. Can you?
नहीं?
She's again on the left side. You got
हेलो
concentration on the left and
सोनम
right.
जी मेरा सवाल ये है कि आपका बचपन से ड्रीम था सलमान जी के साथ काम करने का तो जब वो आपके सामने थे फर्स्ट सीन में तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन था
एक छोटी सी कहानी मैं आपको बोलूँगी मैं आई थिंक मैं करीब 14 साल की थी और सलमान सर डैड के साथ एक फिल्म करते थे आई थिंक वाज अ स्पेशल अपीयरेंस और मैं यूजुअली
By
पापा
the
के
way, अनिल कपूर साहब मेरे दोस्त थे. अब मैं सर हो गए.
और मैं यूजुअली उनके सेट पे मुझे आई वाजंट अलाउड कि वो बोलते थे कि यू नॉट अलाउड टू कम ऑन सेट और ये वो बट आई सेड प्लीज़ अब सलमान खान के साथ शूट कर रहे हैं प्लीज़ मुझे आने दो द फर्स्ट एंड ओनली टाइम आई बीन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट नॉट इवन ऑन अ फिल्म सेट आई वाज सिटिंग इन द वैन and I get to see Salman Khan. He sat with me for around an hour. He doesn't remember this, and he's spoken to me. And obviously, I must have traumatized him. But
Can we ask you what you guys chatted of?
I have no idea.
I met her one day. We all went for a family holiday. We went to Goa. I saw this one person sitting in front of me at the age of 14, now 15, as Salman Khan. I said, "What are you doing?" So I said, "Go, change and come back."
He
So she
still
got
says
really
that. What are you doing? Go change and come back. That's not
Low
change.
top. I said, "ये क्या है?"
Low
I said, "Go right now." She got so upset with me.
हेलो सलमान जी मेरा आपसे सवाल है यही शरद सक्सेना
We're very businesslike today at the press conference, aren't we? No, like reactions to all the answers. What happened, man? I'll do it 10 minutes more. You know, like we can react.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो पिक्चर का नाम है लेकिन असल जिंदगी में लोग सलमान रतन धन पायो पाना चाहते हैं तो
Same thing, no?
ये जो धन है ये स्विस बैंक में जाएगा कि कि ये बड़ी हीरोइन के बैंक में जाएगा कि ये एक आम लड़की की जिंदगी में जाएगा
ये पूरा धन आप अपने में समा सकती हैं.
नहीं मुझे इसका सही जवाब
कैमरास
चाहिए
उधर पॉइंट करो. फिर समझ में आएगा.
नहीं मेरे पास मेरा सलमान है
और अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ बच गया तो बांट देना.
ओके नहीं प्लीज अगर आप जवाब देंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा
आपको
Only one.
इतना पॉज हो गया कि मैं सवाल ही भूल गया।
स्विस बैंक ये हीरोइंस या आम लड़कियां, इसमें से कहाँ ये सलमान धन जाएगा?
स्विस बैंक में तो नहीं जाएगा। ये ऑप्शन अपन बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे।
सलमान जी, शैलेंद्र सिंह, न्यूज़ नेशन से। आप प्रेम रतन धन फायो के मुख्य रत्न हैं।
इतने बड़े स्टार हैं?
हाँ, नहीं, आप प्रेम रतन धन के मुख्य रत्न हैं। पीएम मोदी ने 9 रत्नों में से एक रत्न आपको चुना था स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के दौरान। आपने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लिए क्या किया और आप अपने काम से, उस काम से कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
एक साफ सुथरी फिल्म की।
नहीं, ये सलमान जी से सलमान जी प्लीज आप जरा इस पे
सर, आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो?
बिल्कुल फॉलो कर।
हाँ,
लेकिन मैं सुनना चाहता हूं सर।
नहीं सर, अगर आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो तो फिर अगर आपका मायना ये है सवाल से कि वो सिर्फ एक फोटो सेशन था, नहीं सर। हम लोग हर महीने 11 लोगों को 100 लोगों को नॉमिनेट करते हैं और 11 लोगों को कुछ न कुछ हमारी तरफ से गिफ्ट दिया जाता है।
सर कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
आप satisfied
नहीं, अपने काम से आप कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं स्वच्छ भारत अभियान से?
सर ये अभी तो शुरुआत है सर, आगे देखो होता है क्या सर।
थैंक यू।
हेलो सलमान एंड सोनम, आप दोनों से मेरा ये
उन्होंने
सवाल
स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन बीइंग ह्यूमन ने इसको हमारे लिए एक इनिशिएटिव ले लिया है और ये अब हमारा हो गया है। स्टार्ट उन्होंने किया था, उन्हीं का है, लेकिन हम जो कर रहे हैं वो हम कर रहे हैं।
हेलो सलमान एंड सोनम, मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से है। ज़्यादा करके सूरज जी की फिल्मों में जो भी लीड कैरेक्टर होता है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से फैमिली लाइफ और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ हैंडल कर पाता है। तो मैं जानना चाहूँगी, क्या रियल लाइफ में भी आप इतनी अच्छी तरह से बैलेंस कर पाते हैं जो कैरेक्टर्स वो पोर्ट्रे करते हैं फिल्म में?
हमें ये पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं करती हूँ, but I try my very best. Oh God, क्या हुआ?
They want to know personal life.
I don't know. I try my very best to be the best person that I can be. How is your personal life?
My personal life.
Are you handling it? Are you balancing it?
How do you balance family and personal life? Oh, sorry, personal and professional life.
There is no difference between any of them for me, because I work with friends, I work with family, and if I don't know them, I make sure that I make them friends and family. So it's, otherwise you can't be happy and you can't give it your best till the time you don't like the people that you're working with. If you don't like somebody, then you don't do the movie. But if you like the movie so much, then you make sure that you get along with everybody on the sets. Taj Mahal, मोहब्बत से बनता है, नफरत से थोड़ी बनता है।
All right,
सलमान भाई,
last 2 questions.
मेरा आखिरी सवाल।
एक सेकंड। जिसने नहीं पूछा है पहले उससे
मेरा रहते। सलमान भाई,
अच्छा,
सवाल सूरज जी से है कि
पहले लेडीज और फिर उनका। हाँ बोलिए।
आपकी हर फिल्म प्रेम के बिना पूरी नहीं होती, वैसे ही आपकी हर फिल्म में आलोकनाथ जी नजर आते हैं, इस फिल्म में वो कहीं नजर नहीं आ रहे।
आलोक जी के रूप में हमारे पास खेर साहब आ गए।
मैं हमेशा से था।
डबल रोल कर रहे खेर साहब।
नहीं, बाकी रोल ही नहीं था, बहुत कोशिश की।
कोशिश की आलोक जी ने मेरा रोल करने की।
अनुपम सर,
No, there's no Monish as well this time. There's no Monish as well.
Salman sir,
Anupam sir, you have worked with a lot of powerhouse talents, all the Khans, all the Kapoors. Tell us, you know Salman sir very closely. Tell us what separates him, what makes him the real Prem, the real being human in your eyes.
Well, I don't want to make comparative studies, but I think Salman is complete heart. And I was working with him in this film after a long gap. And the kind of evolved person that he is, the kind of real person, you know, you can't fake it for a long time. You can't, the whole world cannot say that you are a nice person and you can't fake it. So I think he's very real. He actually listens to you. He doesn't pretend that he's listening to you. And I'm very happy and very fortunate that I've worked with him in terms of him as a person. And when you know Salman as a person, you feel a richer person. So we are all richer people over here, and that's the way kind of person he is. And I think it's very difficult in this profession to be for such a long time and to be real. It's the most difficult thing. And the more successful he is becoming, the more real and more human he is becoming.
Salman, going back in time.
So we'll wrap up here.
I also want to, on this note, I want to,
Sir, give the
just
closing
one sec. You see, we are on a, Suraj ji ne baat shuru ki thi, and since I think I'm the senior most apart from Kumar, I want to thank each and every unit member of this film. All the assistant directors on behalf of all of us, all the camera assistants, all the light boys, all the spot boys. It is their vibrations which has made this film fantastic. So thank you to all of them on behalf of all of us for making this film work.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll continue this. You all will all have individual opportunities eventually later as well.
Twitter. Fans have also been drawing comparisons with the posters with Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Do you find any resemblance at all?
Really?
आपका एड्रेस पूछ रहे हैं मन में ये.
That was a nice poster as well.
I think this is better.
You have to.
Oh, acha. Oh, okay. That was a really nice poster. And this is also really beautiful. I think very pretty.
All right, guys, thank you. We'll just finish off with a photo op, sir. If you could all come in front.